In a shocking development, hundreds of Hezbollah members were grievously wounded on September 17th when their communication pages exploded in southern Lebanon and the southern suburbs of Beirut, including Dahiyeh. The incident is being widely reported as a severe security breach with possible Israeli involvement. Security sources claim that Israel may have orchestrated this attack by infiltrating Hezbollah's communication system, planting explosives in their pages, and detonating them remotely. This attack is viewed as a high-tech sabotage operation designed to disrupt Hezbollah's internal communications and significantly damage its operational capabilities. The National News Agency confirmed that dozens of Hezbollah members were taken to hospitals with severe injuries from the pager explosions, marking a grave escalation in the conflict. The nature of the explosions and the technology used suggest a sophisticated, coordinated effort aimed at undermining Hezbollah's security infrastructure. Hezbollah officials have labeled this breach as the most significant security failure the group has endured in nearly a year of conflict with Israel. The incident comes as no surprise to those who have observed Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's